Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class. That is English for Grade 1. We are learning Unit 6. Its title is Never Lie. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students, today under the title of Oral Communication Skills, we are going to learn to recite and understand a poem. And under writing skills, we are going to learn about date and caption. Before this, in your Unit 1, I have taught you how to recite short poems with actions. I hope you remember. If not, you may watch this video lecture again, and we are going to learn further to recite poems with actions, write date and captions on page top. These are our today's SLUs. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Ghafir, verse 79 and 80. It is God who provided for you all manner of livestock, that you may ride on some of them, and from some you may derive your food, and there are other uses in them for you to satisfy your heart's desires. It is on them as on ships that you make your journeys. Yes, my dear children, what these beautiful verses are telling us? Beta, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, all the living creatures, all the cattle, who created them? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And beta, there is a purpose behind every creature. Okay, so whatever you look around, you find what Allah has created, there is a purpose. And the poem which we are going to recite today, there is a conversation, there is a description of a creature. Let's find out what is that. The little turtle. Okay, so this poem is about a little turtle. What this poem is, first let's look different actions, and then you have to recite this poem with actions. Okay, so here we go. There was a little turtle, he lived in a box. You can see he lived in a box. He swam in a puddle, he climbed on the rocks. You can see he swam in a puddle, he climbed on the rocks. He snapped at a mosquito. Okay, so he jumped, he snapped at a mosquito, he snapped at a flea. Okay, this turtle snapped at flea. He snapped at a minnow. Minnow is a little fish. And he snapped at me. What happened next? Wow. He caught the mosquito. He caught the mosquito. He caught the flea. He caught the flea. He caught the Nemo. He caught it. Yes, he snapped and he caught the minnow. But he did not catch me. Yes. So this is the beautiful poem. Now it's your turn. You will recite this beautiful poem with actions. Teacher, kindly let the students do actions, whatever they want to do, because we have understand this beautiful poem. So it's activity time. Pause the video. Enjoy reciting this beautiful poem with actions and then come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? Good job. Now the other concept which we are going to learn, all of you open your book on page number 56. Here we go, under writing skill. You can see beta here it's date and caption. What is caption? So whatever you write at the top middle of your page, here what it is, it's never lie. Okay, so you have written it bold in the center of the page of your notebook. This is called caption. And on the top right corner of your notebook, you write date. So these are the rules. How do we write caption? We write caption in the center of the page, on top of the page, and on top right corner, we write date. Okay, so this you are going to practice. And what is your homework? First, you will decide the poem with actions, and if it is possible for you, make a video, share that video with your teacher. Enjoy reciting this poem with actions, and write date and caption and topic on the top of the page. Then write 10 action words from the poem in your notebook. Okay, so I'm giving you two homeworks, one reciting the poem and writing date and caption in your notebook. And here is a worksheet, my dear fellow teachers. This worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice. So what we have learned? We learned to recite poems with actions and write date and captions on page top. Are we done with it? Good. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning and take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.